And why was that just coming out that?
Smoking, dude.
Ow!
Come on, let's go get some candy. Come on.
That bumped into a
Over
bug.
here. Let's go over here. Come on, let's start at the beginning. Come on, Landon.
Okay.
Christian, down here, buddy. All the way down here. At the end. Come on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Come on, little Landon.
Are you saving everybody? Oh, you got a Mickey Mouse pumpkin, huh? Hey, Landon. I got something just for Landon.
And I'm going to need some. I'm going to need some.
There you go. Put that in your pumpkin.
Put it in your bag.
Well, what do you want?
Put it in your bag. Here.
I'm going to want.
We got gummy things here for Halloween. You want that? Okay.
How are we doing?
Hey.
Hey, Christian.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Christian, you like my car?
Huh? This is cool. I'm decorating.
You want that one?
Decorating.
Okay. Put it in there.
Treasure.
This was decoration. Landon, come on, buddy. Landon, right here. Just grab some.
Nope.
How about a ring? There's some stickers in it. Oh, good.
Oh, vampire pin.
Okay, what do you want to do?
What are you doing? Yeah? Come on, guys.
Oh my, put it in your bag. Let's go on that one. Let's go to that one, Mama. Put your candy in there, baby. Let's go on that. Daddy, let's go to this one.
There you go.
Come on, let's go to this one.
Come on.
Not hanging up like this.
Chicken or treat.
Trick or treat. All right. Can you
Grab
grab something?
something. Hold on, Christian. I want to pick this one.
Wait a minute. Let me bring it to you.
Andy, what do you say? Say trick or treat.
Thank you.
Sorry. No, okay. Say thank you.
I just have a little hand. It can't get that much in it.
You just grab one there.
That one here.
Look at that.
Put your candy in your bag.
I need candy, please.
Okay. It's right there.
Come on, Landon, go get some more.
They had it.
You have treats. Of course I have treats. Which one would you like?
Wait till next year.
I know. You see, this one has no ball.
Awesome. You want to punch Bob? You can punch him if you like.
He isn't real.
He's not real. Punch him. There you go.
Hey, Christian, what do you say when Mama calls the doctor?
Mama, Daddy. Come on, Landon. Come on, Daddy.
Treating your own.
Great. Asher, come back. Help your brother.
No.
Dash.
What?
Come on, help your brother.
This is my. I like the decoration.
Thanks.
Can we have a smoke machine? Where? Right there. Put it on. Hey. Well. Hey.
Kids, here comes Dad.
Come on, Christian.
Yeah.
him. No, no, no. You got yours. You got yours. You got yours. Keep going.
I just want to play with Kate.
Just that.
Now, where's that doorbell? There's one. There they have it.
One time. One time. No.
What?
Put your ears on. Come on. What are you saying?
Trick or treat.
Well, let's see what I've got. I think I have some treats. Whoa, don't fall. Here.
What are you saying,
Put that
Dandy?
in your pumpkin. You get it?
What are you saying?
Where's your bag?
When you say thank you.
Oh, there it is.
There
you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. I like your costumes. They're great.
Put this
You're a
on
doctor with ears, huh?
When Mama calls the doctor says,
No, no, someone on the bed.
and we're all the monkeys.
Ah.
Did you hit the doorbell?
Have we got something for you?
Look here.
Oh my goodness.
Look here.
Right
Come
here.
help yourself.
Dandy, what are you supposed to say?
Just help yourself.
Trick or treat.
Oh, right here. Just get it right out of there.
Pick one, Landon. Pick one. Put it in your bag.
That's okay. We have plenty.
Say thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Appreciate it.
You're the Halloween Dr. Mickey Mouse. What in the world are you?
When
Look
Mama
at
calls
this. You
the
got
doctor,
ears. You
the
got
doctor
ears on
says-
your pumpkin. Okay.
Eat it.
You can eat it right now. Grab a couple. Oh, there. He knows how to do it. Grab a couple of those.
All right, Landon.
All right. Grab another one. Grab another one. There, grab one of the yellow ones. There you go.
All right.
All right.
Say thank you.
Okay. Here we go. Look, you dropped one. Whoa. Okay. Happy Halloween, guys.
Thank you.
You guys look great.